Hello, everyone. Happy Saturday. I'm Anita of Anita Bryant TV, and I'm coming today to bring you a broadcast about my earnings as of close on Friday at 5. I'm still up. I'm still in the green, and I am loving the week that we had this week. It's been awesome. My account has increased. Goodness. Let's see. At least almost $20. So I'm very happy about that. After a few of my companies have had their earnings call, all of my companies that I am invested with have had an awesome quarterly report. So I'm very happy at my choices. I'm at 271.74. Um, so I'm very happy at my choices. As you know, when I began my Robinhood journey, I started out with the free shares that Robinhood gave me, and I decided to use a little strategy. I sold my free shares and I bought shares that I was really interested in instead of the free shares that Robinhood picked for me. So if any of you beginners out there, if you're following me and you would like to try that, but be careful. Make sure that you are knowledgeable in doing the research and choosing the right companies. Okay, let's see what I was at one day ago. So it's been a pretty nice week. It's been a pretty nice week, and it's been a pretty nice day. Let's see, I got as high as 272.74. That is really awesome. And it leveled off to what it is now, 271.74. So that is awesome. 1 week since 1 week ago, I'm up 5.63%. That's a $14.49 increase. 1 month ago, I'm up 10.75%. That's a $26.38 increase. Oh, as of 3 months ago, I'm up 729.75%. That's a $238.99 increase. 1 year ago, it's a 100% increase. As you know, I started in February. So it's not, I've not been doing this quite a whole year yet, but we're getting close, guys. We are getting close. The year is almost over. So keep following me, keep taking my tips, and we're going to end 2018 with a bang. We most certainly are. As you know, my goal is to earn my $500 worth of free shares that Robinhood gives you for referring people to their app. So, if you're interested in joining Robinhood, feel free to click the link below this video. Okay, I'm also going to go down here and show you guys my stock investments. Okay, Apple had a really great week. I'm up $207.93 from $188 and some change. Siri is holding in there. It's probably 11 cents below the $7 range, $7.10 range that it was at. Sprint is holding in nicely. It's still above, even though it's in the red, because I bought it around $5, the lower range of $5. Um, Chesapeake is coming back. It's making a comeback. But when I bought Chesapeake, it was at $2 and something. So I'm still doing pretty good with that, and I'm happy. Now with Singer, it's holding in at $4.03. So I am happy with that as long as it is it's kind of leveling out. Now Boxel is making a comeback, so I'm gonna keep those shares. It's at 355. And I'm hoping to see it do better since they had a pretty good quarterly report. And Fit, oh, it's doing good. $5.46. Ford is up today $10.03. A Bev is up $5.18. Teaser is hanging in. The TZA is hanging in pretty good. At $8.82. It fluctuates between there and $9.01. So I'm happy with that. Cool Monday, you have to go. You have to go, boo, because you're below the 38-cent range that I had set for a limit for you, so you have to go Monday. I have to get rid of that one, guys. I played with it for a week, and maybe that's not a long enough time to play with it, but I'm like this. If it don't make money, it don't make sense. So I'm going to sell it off Monday. No matter what price range it's at, it's got to go. I'll take the loss. It's only a few pennies. Okay. And the reason why I was trying that, because every now and then, if you get a really good penny stock, um, you can really cash out with those penny stocks. But some of them are junk stocks because the companies don't always give the correct reports. So I'll have to count that one out. Okay, eBay is still doing great. This is on my watch list because I also have eBay on another exchange. I mean brokerage. Um, so I keep it on this watch list so I don't have to keep flipping from browser to browser. Okay. And going into my account. That's not one that I really watch every day. My Snap is doing good. Snap is coming back up. I want to see it back up at around the $13 and $15 range. So hopefully Snap will make a comeback by the end of the year. Hopefully. I'm looking at it long term. Um Groupon is hanging in there, but the price is still lower than what I would expect it to be. GPO GPRO is hanging in there, 698. It's doing pretty good. Now I would invest in that. Twitter has been having a bit of a battle. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna have to research that. Netflix, it ended the week in the red. TSLA, it ended the week in the red. Facebook is in the green, but it's not worth me putting my money into because they still have a long way to go in order to bounce back financially. They lost like $121 billion. So that's a lot of money to try and bounce back from. So I wouldn't put money into that. Anybody who has money in it has taken a great loss. So if you haven't sold it and you plan on keeping it, then you it's kind of risky right now because I know for a fact of like a few weeks ago, whenever they were having all these court battles, like about a month ago, I warned everyone to get out then. But everyone wanted to hold their shares. So whenever they had their quarterly report in their earnings call, a lot of people lost a lot of money. Anyway, so some people don't like take other people's advice, but some advice is good advice. Okay, so hopefully after you get to knowing me and get to warm up to me and you see that my advice whenever I get it, it comes out just like I say, then maybe you'll take it. Okay, Microsoft is awesome. Put your money in that. Disney is great. It's steady climbing. I mean, the prices fluctuate, but as long as the percentage of increases is greater than the loss, then it's a pretty good company. We know Disney is a good company. It's not going anywhere. Starbucks, they're bouncing back. I would invest in that. If it were not for more moralistic reasons, but right now I'm not going to put my money into it because of some actions that happen. We all know about those actions, so that's why I'm not investing in Starbucks. But if you Do what pleases you. If you out for the money, then I'm not gonna knock their company and say that they're not bouncing back, because they are. But me, as for me, I'm not gonna invest in the company. It's just like I'm not gonna invest in Papa John's. It's just for the principle of it. Okay, Alibaba, they ended in the red, but it's a good company. So I wouldn't throw the baby out with the bathwater. G is good, it ended in the red. Their quarterly report wasn't where it was supposed to be, but I'm sure they'll bounce back. Now I got some down here that are not really. I've been told people to get rid of their IQ. If you still have IQ, you have lost money. So get rid of all that Chinese stock junket. I mean, just get rid of it. It's not gonna benefit you. It's not worth the long term haul of it. But these others that I have on my watch list, I'm still watching them. Um, and I'm gonna take IQ off my watch list because I wouldn't put my money into that at all. Okay, these others I'm looking at, and if they're on my watch list, then they are worth looking at. They are worth researching, and if you want to put your money into them, um, I say invest at your own risk. And when we're investing, it's always risky business. Only invest what you can afford to lose. That's what I tell people. When people say, "How much should I invest, Anita?" I get that question all the time. I say, invest what you can afford to lose, or what you can afford to wait and see grow. Do not be an impatient investor. That's a good way. That's why a lot of people are broke, because they have that spirit of impatience. You have to be patient when you're investing. A patient person is a wealthy person. That's what I say. I never met I mean, I haven't, you probably have, but a patient person is a wealthy person. I never met an impatient person that um was wise with their money. So a patient person, a person who can afford to wait, then that's what you do. If you got a couple of dollars, you can set it to the side, whatever your financial level is. If you can invest a couple dollars, that's great. If you can invest a couple hundred, a couple thousand, if you can afford to see that, watch it grow, then that's amazing. Don't put it in one week and then have to take it out the next week. You're not investing. That's not investing. You put it in, watch it for a good year, and you wait for to see, you watch it to see if you have like a nice return, like a 15%, 20% return at the end of the year is great. If you do swing trading, you probably can get a higher return than that at the end of the year. I look for profits at the end of the year. But with the Robinhood app, why I push it so much, because there's a lot of people out there that need a way out of poverty, and I'm telling you, investing is the only way out. Working a 9 to 5, and every week your money is going to the bill collectors, especially if you have a family, you have to pay rent. You can't even afford to buy a house on minimum wage. It's like $7.25, I guess now. I haven't worked in years, guys, and it's all because I invest in myself, and I start businesses off line and online, multiple streams of income. And I would not give anybody advice that I don't use myself. Now, mind you, I'm not a financial advisor. I am a entrepreneur. I'm a mother of four, so I know what I'm talking about. But and I get on here to share my tips and my strategies to help others. Um, the money that I make off of um, Robinhood, you see here, beside the profits that I've earned off of the companies, just from the earnings that they earn, you know. But So I don't get rich off of Robinhood. Robinhood don't pay my bills. So I'm not trying to scam anybody. Okay? I just love, this is fun to me. I love to challenge myself to see if I can meet a goal. I set a goal to make $500 worth of free cash. By Christmas. That's gonna buy my kids some nice things for Christmas. But my girls are like, my daughters are, goodness, they almost grown, all of them. I only have a 15-year. I got a 20-year-old, 18, 17, and 15-year-old guys. So, my girls are almost grown, set aside from my 15-year-old. But I don't get on here to scam people. I get on here to help people. Anybody, if you're homeless, uh, anything, you can go to a library. You can go and get, Robinhood has a website now. You can sign up, get the free shares. But I think the free shares only come if you have a phone. If you can get you an Obama phone, download the app. Start investing. Start sharing it with people. Get on your social media networks. Start sharing this with people. I got $271.74 free cash. If I wanted to take it out, I could send it straight to my bank account. That's money I didn't have to really break a sweat for. So if you're a single mother and you need some extra cash, get on here. You never know unless you try, and you're not gonna make the money if you're not showing up to post to your different social media. All you have to do is post ads. Somebody's gonna answer your ad. I'm a regular lady, ordinary lady that posts ads every day, and I make a full-time income. And I do that because I help people. So no, Robinhood is not a scam. It has over 4 million users. Feel free to research on Robinhood. And with that being said, I'm going to end this video on a happy note. Get your money, honey. Don't let anybody stop you from making money. Don't listen. We're living in a new age. It's 2018. Everything has become a technology age. So get with it. Get into it. And don't let ignorant people who are not making money tell you different. Tell you that everything online is a scam. Do your own research. Stop listening to the opinions of those who don't do the research. Okay? Those who are not doing anything to better their lives should not be telling those who are what to do. Okay? As long as you're trying to do better, you need to get yourself around people who are also doing better. You need to level up and leave people with a stuck mentality behind. Because one thing I hate, I love all people, but because I'm black, I'm going to give some advice to my black community. I hate when black people get online and call everything a scam. Why are you doing that? You're cutting your blessing. It's so much money to be made online. There's room for everybody to make money. Everybody to make money. There are billions of people in the world. It's money for everybody to make money. There's no such thing as a saturated market. Whoever is around you, you deal with the people in your area, in your tribe, who's ever on your social media. Those are people that God has sent to you to bless. So don't cut your blessing off, and don't cut off another person's blessing from mere ignorance. There are all these people online making money, so it can't be a scam. And usually it's a person that says that has a lot of fear in them. If you never try anything, then you'll never know. Sure, I've been scammed a couple times online. That's how I know what's good and what's not. That's life. When you go through life experiences, you never know what are who good people are and who bad people are if you don't learn how to experience it. Your parents can raise you up and give you instruction, but it's your own experience that gives you true enlightenment. Okay, guys, I'll talk forever. Have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday afternoon. Enjoy time with your family and friends. If you gotten value from this video, hit that like button. Share this video, guys. Share the blessing. Be a blessing and share the blessing. Um, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love each and every one who has subscribed, and I thank you in advance to the new subscribers coming on, and whoever has watched this video, thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel so blessed to have you join me. God bless you, and you have an awesome day. Okay, and hit that notification tab, guys, so you can stay tuned to my next video. God bless you.